Hey y'all, it's Boy Joe. Welcome back to Anomalous. Today doing Cup of Dirt. That's not how you spell dirt. That's how you spell dirt. Just some good old dirt. That is not what dirt looks like. Earthy, thick, like swallowing the forest floor. Bitter and gritty, clinging to my tongue, spreading this strange, heavy warmth through my veins. Feels like something ancient crawling under my skin, waking up, taking hold. Interesting. Why the long face? But you know what that actually is? It's a long face mask, is actually what it is. Does it speak? Is the question. Oh no, of course it speaks. Okay, buddy. Alright, that is the Cup of Dart. If you enjoyed this episode, please share your friend's video. Bye-bye.